Hello everybody to lesson 44 of HTML Deep Understanding course. In this lesson we'll study the plugins tags. So the plugins tags, what is it? Plugins tags is used to embed some programming or some computer programs inside your website. Okay, so plugins can be added to web pages with the object or embed. So it embeds or it insert the maps. It could display maps in your website or scan for viruses. Okay, it could verify your bank ID or the video and audio, but it's recommended that you use video and audio with video and audio tags. Also we have here some element of the plugins, which is whether object or embed. Let's go to the code and see what we have here. So let's delete this previous code and start new code. Okay, so we will try to create an plugin, for example tag. Okay, so let's write the tag, which is object. Okay, so then close the tag, and here we have to write the width, the height, and the data that we want. So I write the width, and let's add the width. For example, let's see, it would be for 100 pixel, and the height, which would be also 400 pixel, and we have the data that we have it. Okay, so the data could be an image, could be a lesson, for example, or anything you need it. For example, I write the same HTML lesson that we have it here. Let's refresh the page and see what we have. So let's write here some content. For example, hello SAFHATECH.com. Save it and come to the page and reload it. Okay, reload it and see what we have. So here's the hello SAFHATECH.com, and here is the object that we have embedded. We could write style. For example, I will say style, and I will say border. Okay, so the border of the style we will add now, border, and let's say 3 pixel, so light and red the color. Let's see what we will get. So so this is the default of the web. Okay, so the web page has this text, but we have embedded that text inside that web page, so it's an object that we have added. Okay, so let's see another thing. For example, if I need to embed an image, let's say that I need to embed an image, PNG, that one. Let's see what we get. Fresh. That was the image that we have embedded. So you could use the object or the embed tag to embed anything you needed, whether to use the data or the source. Okay, I mean src. So it will be great using in future. You will know in another lessons how it's important to use the object or the embed. So it's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next. Bye.